Hello, my name is Putri Shabrina Karani NPM 011. Here I will explain about plankton. Plankton are microscopic organisms that live floating in water, especially marine and fresh water. They cannot fight against the current of the water, so they are simply carried along by the current. Plankton are divided into two main groups: phytoplankton, plants, and zooplankton, animals. Phytoplankton are microscopic organisms that live floating in water and are capable of photosynthesis, just like plants. They are the primary producers in aquatic ecosystems, meaning they produce food and oxygen that form the basis of the marine food chain. Example of phytoplankton. Diatoms are single-celled phytoplankton that have an exoskeleton of silica and are capable of photosynthesis. They are diverse and symmetrical, and are the main producers of oxygen in the sea. Dinoflagellates have two flagella for movement, and some types can glow. Bioluminescence. They can also cause red tide phenomena if their populations explode. Cyanobacteria have two flagella for movement, and some types can glow. Bioluminescence. They can also cause the red tide phenomenon if their populations. Zooplankton are microscopic organisms that belong to the animal group and live floating in water, especially seas and lakes. They cannot fight against water currents and usually move passively, although some have locomotion devices such as cilia or flagella. Zooplankton feed on phytoplankton or other fellow plankton, thus acting as consumers in the marine food chain. They are an important food source for small fish, jellyfish, and other marine animals. Zooplankton can come from a variety of animals, such as small crustaceans, for example copepods, microscopic jellyfish, or marine animal larvae. Example of zooplankton. Copepods are small shrimp-like zooplankton that are very abundant in the ocean. They feed on phytoplankton and are the main food for small fish. Foraminifera are one-celled zooplankton that have shells and use pseudopodia, false legs, to catch food. Euphausiids are shrimp-like zooplankton, live in large groups, and are very important in the food chain, especially as food for whales. Body parts of plankton. Phytoplankton single cell with chloroplasts for photosynthesis. Some have flagella for movement. Cell wall of silica, diatoms, or calcium, coccolithophore. Zooplankton transparent body, often ciliated or flagellated. Have simple digestive organs. Some have simple eyes or antennae. How plankton live. Phytoplankton live in the upper layers of the ocean, where sunlight can still penetrate. Uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Serves as the main producer in the marine food chain. Zooplankton consume phytoplankton or other plankton. Some are active only at night to avoid predators. Move passively with the current, but some can swim weakly. In conclusion, plankton play a vital role in the marine ecosystem. They form the basis of the food chain and support the lives of various marine creatures. In addition, plankton also contribute greatly to producing oxygen for life on Earth, making them one of the important components in maintaining the global environmental balance.